How to edit Facebook URL link. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to edit or customize your Facebook profile link. All you have to do is to log in to your Facebook account through your Facebook app. To see the link, you just need to click on the menu option and click on your profile. Beside edit profile, you need to click on the three dots option for you to go to profiles and settings. And on the bottom portion of the page, you will be able to see your profile link. And then what we'll do today is to edit the last portion of the Facebook link. In order for us to do this, we need to close the app and reopen the Facebook website through your web browser. Any web browser will do for as long as it has the option for you to switch from mobile to desktop mode. Okay, once you have the web browser open, you just need to type in facebook.com. From there, you click on the three dots option on the upper right corner of the screen, and then make sure desktop site option is on a check mark. Make sure the web browser is on a desktop view or desktop mode. Once done, on the URL bar, we need to switch or change m.facebook.com to www.facebook.com. So you can do this by clicking on the pencil icon to edit the Facebook link. Once done, you just need to go to your profile. That's on the upper right corner of Facebook page. When you click on it, you click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, you need to click on settings. From there, you click on account center settings. And then click on your profile. Then click on your profile once again, and it will have a pop-up where you can either edit your name or username. So in our case here, for us to edit or customize your Facebook URL link, you just need to edit the username. Okay, once you finish editing your username, you just need to click on done. And after that, you just go back to your Facebook account, either through the browser or to the Facebook app. You can reopen your Facebook app and then go to the menu option or menu tab once again, and then click on your profile. And then beside edit profile, click on the three dots menu, and there you will see that your profile link or your Facebook URL link has now been edited. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.